I generate an entire month of social media content in just 30 minutes. That's 30 posts, captions, and hashtags all ready to schedule. It completely changed how I run my business and my life. I used to feel chained to content creation, constantly thinking of new ideas. Now, I barely think about it. Stick around and I'll show you the exact system I use to make this happen, even if you're not tech savvy, you know, the drill. Every morning you wake up and the first thought is, what am I going to post today? Or maybe it's, I need to film something for this week. You sit there staring at a blank screen, the cursor blinking. Hours disappear trying to brainstorm one good idea. Then you write a caption, find a relevant image, or edit a short video. By the time you finish, you're exhausted. And you still have to do it all over again tomorrow. You might even skip days feeling guilty because you just don't have the energy or the time. Your content calendar is a mess, or maybe you don't even have one. This isn't just about posting, it's about the mental load, the constant pressure to be on. It eats into your creative energy for other parts of your business. It feels like a never-ending treadmill you can't get off. While you're stuck in this cycle, others are scaling their content effortlessly. They're posting consistently, building massive audiences, and closing more sales. They're spending their time on strategy, on clients, on living their life. You're stuck in the content factory, missing out on growth, missing out on freedom. Okay, let's break down the exact system. This isn't theory, this is what I do every single month. Step 1, the idea machine. First, I open ChatGPT 4 or Claude 3 Opus. I use a very specific prompt to get 30 days of content ideas in under 2 minutes. My prompt looks something like this. I run a fitness coaching business for busy moms. Give me 30 unique content ideas for Instagram Reels. These ideas should address common pain points like lack of time, low energy, and confusion about workouts. Focus on quick tips, myth busting, and easy to implement routines. My goal is to increase engagement and drive leads to my free workout guide. The AI instantly generates a list of 30 distinct content ideas. I get everything from 5-minute no equipment workout for busy mornings to myth you need to cut carbs to lose weight. This prompt structure is crucial. It tells the AI exactly who you serve and what their struggles are. This isn't just generic content. This is content designed to resonate and convert. I get ideas that I would have spent hours brainstorming myself. It eliminates the blank page syndrome entirely. You now have a content roadmap for the entire month. Step 2, the content blueprint. Now that I have my ideas, I pick one to develop further. Let's say I choose 3 common mistakes people make when starting weightlifting. I go back to the AI and give it another specific prompt for the idea, 3 common mistakes people make when starting weightlifting. Create a 45-second Instagram Reel script. Include a strong hook that grabs attention immediately. Then break down the 3 mistakes with a quick explanation for each. End with a clear, concise call to action for viewers to comment. Keep the language direct, encouraging, and easy to understand. Within 30 seconds, I have a complete script. Think about how long it usually takes you to write a 45-second script. For most people, it's 30 minutes to an hour of drafting and editing. With this method, you have a solid draft in seconds. I might tweak 1 or 2 words to match my exact speaking style, but the core structure and message are always there. This efficiency is what allows me to batch my content creation. I don't just do 1 script, I do 5-7 of these back to back in less than 10 minutes. Step 3, the caption and hashtag genie. Once I have my scripts or main content pieces, I need captions and hashtags. I feed the AI my finished script or the core message of my post. My prompt is write a short, engaging Instagram caption for this reel script. Include a question to encourage comments and 3-5 relevant high-performing hashtags. Keep it under 150 characters. I get a perfectly crafted caption and hashtags in about 15 seconds. This means no more staring at the screen trying to think of witty lines or endless hashtag research. The AI is excellent at finding hashtags that are both relevant and have good reach. It saves me from guessing or using outdated tags. This ensures my content has the best chance of being seen by the right people. I generate captions for all my planned content in just a few minutes. This step is incredibly efficient. Step 4, the strategic scheduler. Remember when I teased the step that saved me 3 hours a week? This is it. I don't just generate content, I organize and schedule it. I use a simple Notion database. Each row is a piece of content. It has columns for the idea, the script, the caption, the hashtags, and the planned publish date. I dump all the AI-generated text directly into this Notion board. Then I spend about 15-20 minutes once a month reviewing everything. I make tiny edits for my personal voice. From there, I copy and paste into my scheduling tool like Buffer or Later. If you want to get even more advanced, you can use a tool like Zapier or Make.com. You can actually automate the transfer of content from Notion directly to your scheduling platform. This step truly transforms your content workflow. Instead of feeling reactive and rushed every day, you become proactive, you gain control. You're not just creating content, you're building a content machine that works for you. This turns 30 days of content into a single focus session. No more daily content worries. You batch your creativity, use AI for the heavy lifting, and then you're free. Imagine getting all your content done for the next 30 days before the current month even ends. That's the level of freedom and consistency this method provides. You can focus on engaging with your audience, developing new offers, or simply enjoying your evenings and weekends. This is how you get your life back. This is how you post consistently without burnout. It completely changed my relationship with social media. You've seen how to go from content overwhelm to a full month of scheduled posts in under 30 minutes. This system frees up your time, reduces your stress, and keeps your audience engaged. Imagine waking up without the pressure of what to post today. That's the transformation I experienced, and that's what's possible for you. This method gives you consistency without the grind. It's about working smarter, not harder, and letting AI handle the repetitive tasks. If you want the exact AI prompts I use, plus a full step-by-step guide to set this up, I've put together a comprehensive resource for you. Comment 1000 to get the full guide and free AI tools and prompts.